Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to track the position of keywords in SEMrush. I basically got this 7-day free trial after I added the credit card. So let me show you the position tracker tool which is inside SEMrush. It's a quite popular tool. It's available inside site performance in the second position tracking. So with the help of this you can track the position of keywords inside your website. So once you launch this, for this, you do need to create a SEO project. So for this, for my website marksheet generator, if you click create SEO project, you need to specify your domain name and then click on create SEO project. I already created this project. As you see, you click on setup marksheet generator. So I already written the domain name. Then either you can actually set the location where location you will be targeting. So I will be targeting the India location. You can also set the language device in which device you want to track the position. So I basically set it to desktop. Let me set it to mobile because majority of the users come from mobile. So we have search engine Google, device, location, language. After you do that, click on continue to keywords. So right here you can manually write keywords line by line, or you can even import from search console as well. So we have Google Analytics, Google Search Console. A keyword limit is 1500 keywords you can actually uh, track at a certain amount of time. So if you have a text or CSV file, you can even import from there as well. So let me just write the keywords that I want to track. So marksheet generator, we also need to track medical certificate generator, driving license generator, PAN card generator, fake marksheet generator. So these are all the keywords that I want to track, and you click on start tracking. As soon as you do this guys, you will see that now the SEMrush position tracking tool will collect the data, and it will just take 2 minutes to actually find the positions of this inside your website. So after that it will show you all the data, and then as time goes on, in 3 to 4 days it will show you the actual positioning of the keywords, if it rise or if it decrease in the graph. So if the keyword position rise, then it will show you that the positions have increased, they have improved. If the positions go down, it will show you that the positions have decreased in the graph. This is the position tracking tool. It's the most great tool in SEMrush. It's a premium tool, so you will not get this for free. You need to get the 7-day free trial for this. For that, you just need a credit card. Simply add the credit card and you will get a 7-day free trial for totally free. So this I got this for totally free, unlimited, because so it takes 2 minutes to actually get the actual data. So after that it will automatically refresh. So we are actually tracking 5 keywords here. So the process is very simple. You add the domain name, then you add the keywords, you select the location, desktop, and the country. That's all. After that, let me just refresh this. So I'm just showing you the overall process. So you can forward this part to actually see the next part. Basically, in the background, it's collecting the data, the historical data related to that keyword, how the website is ranking. So then it will show you the current ranking of that keyword, how it is ranking. So in this easy way, you can track the position of keywords in SEMrush inside your position tracking tool. So most of the time it's correct. I've also done this numerous number of times. This really is a very useful tool because it saves you a lot of time. You don't need to no longer check Google every time for a certain keyword, rather than you can check this. So as you see, it's gathering the keywords data, and once it finishes the process, it will show you the current position. So you will see that now it's actually showing you. So basically, as you see, the ranking of the keyword marksheet generator is ranking number one position, fake marksheet generator number one position, driving license generator number one, medical certificate generator number three, PAN card generator. So these are the rankings of my keywords, the current ranking. So as you can see right here, it also shows you the keyword difficulty as well. We see on August 23rd, this is today. So basically it shows you the rankings are number one. Medical certificate generator is 3, and PAN card generator it is 33. So if I manually check this to verify whether it's correct or not, I can open a incognito window and simply type the keyword. Let's suppose medical certificate generator. So if you see that my website is ranking on the first page, marksheet generator, and for the base keyword marksheet generator, it's ranking on number one. As you see, we also have fake marksheet. It is ranking number one, and for another keyword that we verify, driving license generator. So if I also search for this, so our website is ranking number one. So basically, it's actually getting that data from Google live, and it's showing you. So as time goes on, for tomorrow it will show you August 24, and then it will compare the position as if it increases or decreases. So this is a really useful tool, guys. If you have a lot of keywords that you want to track, then you can use this SEMrush position tracking tool to track the position of multiple keywords. So I've shown you the full tutorial on this, how to track this, how to do this. So thank you very much for watching this video.